tarot for me is like an advanced psychic reading technology. Like angel card reading actually gives you a lot of guidance about, it's like messages from the angels. It helps you, the way I've designed the entire program, it helps you to enhance your own psychic powers so that you're connected with your own spirit guides and your own angels, and you can receive messages from them. At the same point of time, tarot in itself is its own energy. Like angels, when I do tarot, I connect with the universal energy of tarot itself. And lot of time tarot gives me awarenesses which is just phenomenal. I remember there was this point of time I had this experience where I was going, I think I shared it with you guys earlier. I was going from my home to my office, and on my way, I just connected with my tarot and I said, I haven't received from you since such a long time. I want to do you. Like, I haven't done tarot since quite some time. It's been few months by at that time. And within 5 minutes, I received a call from my assistant saying, ma'am, I have received a call from, what do you call it? Somebody has called up and they want to get the tarot reading done. And I was like, wow, this is crazy. And not just that, since then, almost like every day, I had 3 to 4 readings for few months to go. Every day I had clients calling in asking me to get the reading done, and all I did was I said, hey tarot, I want to do you. And tarot was like, it was almost like it's waiting to gift to me, and I was the only one not asking. So I've been like, and then the kind of responses when you do the reading for people, the kind of responses you get from people, like when they get surprised with the predictions you've done for them, because tarot is more predictive and angels is more from the guidance point of view. And when I do them together, it looks like a very good like it's like a perfect combination. Like you can do prediction, and sometimes tarot has heavy cards too, so that is when angel cards really come helpful, because people don't want to see the heavy part of the life. Yeah. Yet life brings all kind of things. So when you see a card with like a devil's card or 10 of swords, which is like really heavy and intense, you can actually say, hey, don't worry, it's all right. And we can ask angels for how to create ease in this area. We can see this is coming up or this is happening right now. Let's ask angels how to change this. And then we can ask for the angel solution. And it just comes beautifully. So if you can have both of them together, you will really have, it really creates a big impact as a psychic reader.
We have done the 5 days tarot class with you, and now I am doing reading for the people, and it is going great with only 5 days with my intuition, with all the angels, help of angels. It's going great. And the way you taught us how to read a card, how to interpret the card, or how to connect with the card is amazing.
Thank
I
you.
don't think I most of the time I don't need even the manual to see interpret a card. I just go with your how to see a card. The
Yes.
answers, the tarot gives the answer by itself.
Yes.
So it was really amazing and magical for me. And the reading I'm doing for the people, my family members or my friends, few friends, they are also saying ki you are getting good answer. They are getting good answers and perfect answers. So thank you so much, Shri, for this.
So I think I love the stories that you shared. Firstly, that is the best part, because what happened was when you were narrating the stories in the tarot class, it actually was flowing like a proper picture in my mind. So it was like a film that was playing. And because I have developed after your Angels on the Earth course, because I have developed clairvoyance as an ability, so for me it was very nicely flowing. So even when we did the first exercise also, when you had mentioned that, you should do readings for each other, the first reading went so well that, we could give so much more information just by one card itself. So I loved that storytelling part of yours, and that was the best part of the whole thing.
It was so much, I mean, whenever the class was there, I was so excited. And the I mean, your personal experience with that, I was very inspired and adopted all those things. whenever I used to do my tarot and all, as I was very little, because as I have started through your angel program, I didn't go till that level of how to spread and all, but you explained in such a way that I have started, and my predictions like it's going nice.
Specifically, I don't know why the Five of Swords, the card, that's the first example you actually gave in the introduction itself. That hit a chord within me because it's always interpreted very negatively, but it has so many aspects. And that's how my horizons widened, because I knew tarot, but a lot of things that I wasn't noticing earlier, now I was able to. And especially not just for tarot cards, other new cards that I've got, even the oracle cards, I'm able to look at them in a new sense because of how you asked us to interpret different signs, different symbols, and it has been definitely very helpful. I mean, people almost got emotional in the readings, including me, and I could feel their emotions as well. And it has been absolutely amazing just within those 5 days. Thank you so much, Sri.
There were classes when I actually missed, but I used to see the recordings.
Yes.
And when I connected to them, it was so amazing. And the exercises which we did was super fun and so much learning. Like, it was literally coming when I saw the cards, all the things were just coming out like some magic. So it was beautiful. It was so much fun. To you and so grateful to you, Shri. Thank you so much.